Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering 5 major Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and Medicare updates that could affect millions of Americans. Whether you're already receiving benefits or planning to apply soon, these changes may impact your monthly payments, healthcare costs, eligibility requirements, and future retirement planning. Make sure to stay until the end because the 5th update could have one of the biggest financial impacts on seniors this year. Let's get started. Cost of living adjustment, COLA, expectations. The first major update involves the annual cost of living adjustment, better known as COLA. Every year, Social Security benefits are adjusted to help recipients keep up with inflation. While inflation has cooled compared to previous years, many analysts expect another increase in benefits next year. This means retirees, SSI recipients, and SSDI beneficiaries could see larger monthly checks. However, experts warn that the increase may be smaller than the historic adjustment seen during periods of high inflation. For seniors living on fixed incomes, even a modest COLA increase can help offset rising expenses for food, utilities, housing, and medical care. Keep an eye on official announcements from the Social Security Administration later in the year for the final COLA percentage. Medicare premium adjustments. The second update involves Medicare costs. Many retirees have their Medicare Part B premiums deducted directly from their Social Security checks. When Medicare premiums increase, it can reduce the net amount beneficiaries receive each month. Healthcare expenses continue to rise across the country, and officials are closely monitoring Medicare funding needs. While exact figures can vary from year to year, beneficiaries should prepare for possible premium adjustments. This is especially important for seniors who rely heavily on Social Security as their primary source of income. Review your Medicare coverage annually and compare available plans during open enrollment periods to ensure you're receiving the best value. Higher earnings limits for workers receiving benefits. The third change affects retirees who continue working while collecting Social Security benefits. Each year, earnings limits may be adjusted. If you're below full retirement age and earn more than the allowed amount, some of your Social Security benefits could be temporarily withheld. However, higher earnings limits can allow many beneficiaries to work and earn more income before reductions apply. This is welcome news for older Americans who choose to remain in the workforce or work part-time to supplement retirement income. Remember, once you reach full retirement age, these earnings restrictions generally no longer apply. If you're working and receiving benefits, be sure to understand how your wages may affect your monthly payments. Increased focus on SSI eligibility reviews. The 4th update concerns supplemental security income, commonly known as SSI. Government agencies continue conducting eligibility reviews to ensure recipients meet program requirements. These reviews may examine income levels, financial resources, living arrangements, and other eligibility factors. For beneficiaries, it's important to report changes promptly and keep records up to date. Failure to report changes could result in overpayments, payment delays, or requests to repay benefits. If you receive SSI, make sure your contact information, banking details, and personal records remain current with the Social Security Administration. Staying organized can help prevent unnecessary disruptions to your benefits. Social Security Trust Fund and long-term reform discussions. Now for the 5th and perhaps most important update. Lawmakers continue discussing the future of Social Security funding. Experts have repeatedly highlighted concerns about the long-term financial outlook of the Social Security Trust funds. While benefits are not expected to disappear, policymakers continue debating possible reforms to strengthen the program for future generations. Potential proposals often include changes related to payroll taxes, retirement age requirements, benefit formulas, or funding mechanisms. At this time, no major nationwide changes have been finalized, but discussions remain active. Seniors and future retirees should stay informed because any future legislation could affect retirement planning decisions. Understanding these conversations today can help beneficiaries prepare for tomorrow. Bonus tip for seniors. Here's an important bonus tip. Always verify information directly through official government sources before taking action regarding your benefits. Scams targeting Social Security recipients continue to increase, and fraudsters often use phone calls, emails, text messages, or social media posts claiming urgent problems with benefits. Remember, Social Security generally does not threaten immediate arrest. Never share your Social Security number with unknown callers. Be cautious of requests for gift cards, cryptocurrency, or unusual payment methods. Verify any communication through official channels. Protecting your personal information is just as important as understanding benefit updates. Conclusion. Those are the 5 major Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and Medicare updates seniors should be watching right now. To recap, new COLA expectations could affect future benefit amounts. Medicare premium changes may impact monthly payments. Higher earnings limits could benefit working retirees. SSI eligibility reviews remain an important focus. Long-term Social Security reform discussions continue in Washington. If you found this update helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss important retirement and benefits news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.